Tanong po, alam niyo ba malaking kikitain natin sa binary? Yes, magandang hapon po. Ako si Uling at itong tutorial natin ngayon is ang matagal na nating hinihintay regarding binary. Bakit po kailangan natin i-activate ang ating binary? No? Mapapansin nyo, baka hindi nyo alam, maraming nang nawawala na pera dahil nga po hindi nyo na-activate ang binary. So ngayon, pag-uusapan natin to, ano ang benefits nito, bakit kailangan. But before that, pupunta po tayo sa sistema kung paano tayo magkakaroon ng mga binary. Paano ang placement? Placement system. Dahil nagtatanong kayo kung paano tayo nagkakaroon ng binary. Saan ba ito na ilalagay ang mga invites natin? Ba? So ito i-explain ko po. Kaya ito po siya. Example, ikaw po ito. Now, di ba ikaw sa binary need mo lang ng left at ng right. Now, of course, meron kang invite. Meron kang napasali sa Planometrics matrix. Sa pagpasali mo sa Planometrics matrix, i-classify naman yan. Kung odd ba or even. Example, invite number 1. So, si number 1 is an odd number. So, kung odd number, mailalagay siya sa left. Doon siya mapupunta. Now, kung naka-invite ka na naman ng pangalawa, so ito si invite number 2. Si invite number 2, since classified siya sa even number, mailalagay siya sa right. So, ang ibig sabihin po, lahat na na-invite nyo, i-classify yan kung invite na odd ba siya or invite na even number ba siya. Now, example, naka-invite ka na naman ng pangatlo. Ang number 3, ano yan? Odd or even? That's odd number. So, since odd number siya, mailalagay siya saan? Sa left side po. Ka-invite ka na naman ng isa, medyo masipag ka, invite ka na naman isa, so pang-apat mo na. Diba? Ang pang-apat na number is even number. Now, kung even number siya, saan mapupunta? Sa right side na naman. So, ganito lang po kasimple ang placement. Lahat ng odd number na invite nyo, malalagay sa left. Lahat ng even number na invite nyo, malalagay sa right. So, ganun lang po kasimple ang placement natin dito sa Planometrics matrix. since you already know how the binary works and what are the benefits, now let's go to how to activate your account, how to get the code for the binary. Actually, there are two ways. There are only two ways to activate the binary. See, all you have to do is log into your account, then click payments and codes, then click the my codes list, then you scroll down. Here on the scroll down corner, this convert income to code. So that means you're gonna buy the code through your income. That's the first way to get the code for you to be for you to have a binary account. It has the payment has to be on the available balance you have from the matrix. Or the second way is you could buy it to the members who have already bought a code. So again, I repeat, there are two ways to get the code. First is through your balance from your matrix. Second is from a friend or from a member of Plan Pro Matrix who already purchased a binary code. Then once you have input the quantity, the amount of code you want to buy, just click request and buy code, and you just have to wait. And kindly check from time to time here, this part, the my unused codes for binary. That's it, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe or to like this video. Thank you very much.